Uzra, I would like to ask you, you've been a part of the Ladies Fund for such a long time, you're the president, and have you noticed any change in the generation? Like, the girls who were a part of the generation, like, the previous generation, and now, what is the difference, what's the visible difference that you see between the two?
हमारा अभी the generation just everyone's working.
Everybody's working.
It's the norm. We were talking earlier, Sadia, who's here as well, started her company and had 2 babies after working. Before there'd be an encouragement for people to work. Now it's the norm.
Like, everybody has to work now.
Especially urban
Yeah.
Pakistani women, the majority feel almost the necessity to work. Even
Excellent.
those who almost feel a pressure to work.
Excellent. Acha, Uzra, a lot of people would be watching our show right now, and there is this initiative called Educate a Girl. And if somebody who's not in Pakistan, somebody who's abroad and wants to finance a girl's education, is it the basic education you're looking into, or is it some other professional training? What is it? How does it work?
So we have Educate a Girl Zakat, pure tuition for Zakat qualifying girls.
Zakat qualifying girls.
And it's just the tuition, and we pay the school, and it's done. Then there's
Excellent.
Educate a Girl itself, which is vocational training, which includes AI. We're now starting Chat GPT, e-coding, and e-commerce.
Excellent.
And we even partnered with Yevo and Amazon.com and gave $500,000 credit to the best e-commerce website in our trainings, which was won by Colored Mehndi.
Excellent.
And
How
so
nice.
it's important to train girls in software, freelance, in coding, as well as even graphic design.